Founded in 2014, Foshan NF Windows and Doors System Company Limited is professional enterprise of aluminum, wood-clad aluminum, and UPVC windows and doors. We specialize in aluminum, wood-clad aluminum, and UPVC material door and window production of independent research and development, design, manufacturing, and sale. With strictly material chosen, unique styles, and excellent quality, our products are warmly popular at domestic and foreign market. Exporting to USA, Germany, Britain, Australia, French, and Middle East. NF owns over 4 superiorities at strong manufacturing strength, powerful R&D team, abundant product series, and advanced marketing. NF has 7,000 square meter production area and equipped with automatic CNC equipment. We carry out intensive management, data management, scientific management, and conform to the standard of ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, GB, T2 8001-2001, CE and SAI Global AS2047. Our R&D teams are the most influential, professional, and activated team at China's aluminum, wood-clad aluminum, and UPVC window and door industry, gathering many geniuses of windows and doors area and with their commitment, works, and focus. We provide personalized solutions of door and window system for customers.